About 7 minutes till the markets close. Very challenging price action the last couple of days. FOMC minutes today. Very choppy market. Highly manipulated by the Federal Reserve's buying program. You see that in this sell-off yesterday. Sell-off and then it snapped back here. Sold off and snapped back overnight. Gap up and hold. And so we shall see how long this lasts. It's trading almost like a VIX of 12 to 15, and the VIX is at 28. So we'll go over the trades in a minute. The trade of the day, the easy trade has been the overnight trade, ES after hours plus 775. You see the night before plus 1300. So even the S&P after hours has done well. Crude oil and silver did well today. You see this trade in crude oil, Cobra Crude aggressive, the aggressive version, plus 885. We went over the silver trades earlier. We will go over all the trades now. So you see these 3 days right here where the red bars are represent this week. And you see huge gap up, sideways chop. Monday was good overall, but Tuesday and Wednesday were tough trading days. This price action is challenging to trade intraday. If you see a chart that looks like this, it can be challenging. Cobra 3 was down today on the E-mini S&P. You see 3 losers in a row on Cobra 3 E-mini S&P in these narrow ranges. Gap fill master plus 175 on this trade. Adaptive Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq minus 625 on this trade. Very choppy price action. You see adaptive moving average minus 1050 on this setup, and gap continuation struggling again. There just won't. The gap up, it won't break through. You just look at this price action. It's very difficult when the market trades in such a wobbly, narrow range intraday. You see some cycles in here. You could trade those cycles in here once they become recognizable, maybe buying this dip. But very challenging overall to trade this type of price action. And those are the trades in this workspace. All strategy access 2. AT 2019 plus 250 on the day so far. It's about to close here, plus 715 on AT 2020. These got in at the open, and so those are these are the best trades right here in the stock indexes intraday. Tick count trend NQ minus 50. There was a 60-minute breakout NQ. We're not trading that, but it's plus 1230, and it's actually done pretty well since March, and so we may add this one back. And also, let's look at All Strategy Access 3, Cobra Euro 4 plus 300, Asia Gold minus 525, and silver was the market of the day. It had 4 strategies that traded, and they all hit their profit targets plus 475, and then All Strategy Access 4, Cobra Crude aggressive plus 885, Cobra Gold minus 625, and SR CounterTrend V2, 2V2M, 1M, 5M, and 15M. Are plus 475, plus 475, and plus 475, all hitting their profit targets today in this workspace. No other trades today in this workspace. So the market will close here in 3 minutes. And once again, very challenging trades. Let's go over the 25K portfolio right here. And you see today gap continuation was in that trade, minus 325. This has the conservative version of Cobra Crude, so it did not take that trade. And then Cobra 3 NQ, just this midday sell-off, and then the market rallies back, but not really that much. You don't get we're not getting this classical. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're not getting a market where there's a classical rally, pullback, and then a rally of the same height. You're just getting this rally, pullback, and no follow through. So the follow through will probably be another gap up or potentially a gap down, and depending on the news flow. So very lazy market, very low VIX acting market, and that is the market that we have right now. And so those are the trades on the day. Looking forward to tomorrow's trade already, Thursday, and Friday. Night Trader has not traded in a couple of days, so we will see if Night Trader is able to capture any rallies in the night.